is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
One, two, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. One, two.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Raul, Marwan. How is everyone today?
Good. A little bit stress on the job, work.
Oh, what's wrong?
Oh, what's wrong? China was a little bit late. Normally send it by boat. So smarter to think than we send it by train, but the train goes through Russia. So they will be coming even later.
Well, I guess the situation in around Russia and Ukraine doesn't really help your
Putin
situation.
say no, the train doesn't go to Europe.
Oh, wow.
Here.
If Putin says, then, well, yeah.
Yeah. I tried to call him, he answered my phone.
Hola.
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás?
Ozia grande, tata.
That's all that I know is
Oi, papi, mucho grande.
Precis.
How are you doing, Marwan?
Good. How are you? That was good.
Thank you. Yeah. Back to Saudi Arabia? We're still in London.
Yeah. No, I came back yesterday.
So you have good weather again.
Yeah. Human barbecue.
Something
No,
like
actually, the weather nowadays is becoming really nice. So we will be having seriously, we'll be having like 3-4 months spring temperature, nice temperature.
That's good.
I know.
Time to ride now.
Yes.
Motorcycle. You know what I mean.
Right. Yeah, you understand.
Yeah.
It's only Thomas who misunderstood you. Don't worry.
All right, ladies. I hope you had a
Ladies and gents.
good morning. Why is the fuck? I freaking hate this Bloomberg when it does it in the browser. But anyway, let's start the daily analysis with. Guess what? Where we start the daily analysis?
Go.
Let's see. Or gold.
No. Big picture, guys. Big picture. Economic calendar.
Oh, yes. Not that much today, right?
Well, let's see.
Today is quite.
No, this is the first day I don't check the economic calendar. I don't know how it's totally.
I think one of the biggest event today, three of the biggest events is definitely the central banker speeches, and the 3-year note auction. We have some bills, so anything less than 10 months maturity is called the bill. Anything above is the note. Well, it's the bond, government bond. Nothing else. What do you expect from the FOMC speeches? We discuss this every single morning, but I want to hear from your mouth. What do you expect?
Me, I expect them to keep being hawkish, keep in the same track because nothing has really changed, and they need to maintain inflation as fast as they can.
Yeah, they're going to echo what they said in the past few months, that we're going to tackle inflation, we're going to smack that bitch down. Oh, sorry, inflation, we're going to tackle inflation. So there's nothing new. What's the general market sentiment across markets?
Overall, it's bearish.
Bearish as hell.
Yeah.
Bearish as hell. So the central banker's speech is going to add some more fuel to the fire. They're going to cement in the hawkishness in the markets. Open a recent. Why is this? That doesn't look good, does it? They're going to cement in the hawkishness in the market. So there's not many quantitative events today. Let's have a quick look tomorrow. Tomorrow, definitely GBP. Wow, 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 wow. A lot of news coming out from our beloved UK. Then we're going to have...
We're going to have PPI.
Ooh, PPPI. And Miss Lagarde is going to speak.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a very exciting day. And of course, the prime day of the week is going to be which day?
Thursday.
Thursday. What do we have on Thursday, ladies?
Consumer Price Index.
CPI, mother tuckers. You're going to have the CPI. Has anyone read the recent analysis by Morgan Stanley? They said that if inflation tomorrow... what was the exact news story? Let me check. JP Morgan Trading Desk said any CPI numbers in the US over 8.3 put stocks at risk of 5% tumble.
Whoa.
Do you know how much is 5%?
That's too much.
Let's just look at the annual performance of US 30. It's the beginning of the year. No, it's even higher. Wow, look at this. So let's go back to January. So far, year-to-date performance is negative 22%. Currently is at negative 17%. So tomorrow, or Thursday, if you have any reading above or close to 8.3%, guess what? Stock market is going to bleed out so freaking hard. It's going to be painful to watch. Well, it's good for us because we can go short on US 30. And I've been taking every single opportunity on US stocks to short since the false bear market rally has finished. And it looks like it did finish. Now yesterday we had a beautiful sell in the sell zone that resulted in about 500 points drop. And right now price is retracing back. Now the position I had this morning that hit stop loss, it looked like it's going to be a nice fall to continue because the general market sentiment is definitely bearish. Now my question is, do you think that the US stock market is going to continue to fall?
It should continue to fall because UN already asked the Fed to stop raising the interest rate and pivot right now, but they don't want to do it.
Yeah, do they care about the United Nations? Do they care about developing countries suffering because of the strong USD?
No, they don't really care about it. So my view for US dollar is going to keep going down.
Yeah, it's going to melt. Now the question is, so technically speaking, well, we know the macroeconomics behind. We know exactly that the stock market is going to sell off. We know that the bearish market sentiment started to take over. The VIX index is again hitting new highs again, which is the fear index of the stock market. We know exactly that around the chip maker industry. I'm just going to log in again to Bloomberg. So the chip maker industry is already suffering because there was a ban in the US, not allowing Chinese companies to access the whatever. Anyway, the banning chip makers. So, and if you look at the news that's hitting the headline, it's freaking bearish for US stocks. It's not looking good, does it? Everything is pointing to the direction the stock market is going to sell off. Now, what's the only thing which can catch a trader off guard? What's happening with the US stocks right now, at this moment, this week, started this week?
Oh, that's earnings season.
Earnings season, absolutely. Well done, well done, well done. So currently, the earnings season is happening in the United States. Oh, that doesn't look good, does it?
No, it
Honestly,
doesn't look good, that bad.
Bloomberg needs to fix this browsing. Going to views. No, I'm going to close this. Views and open my view. Where is my view? Oh, it doesn't show up. Oh. Cheeky bugger. No, I don't want to save it. Okay. Bloomberg needs a coffee to wake up. That looks better, doesn't it? All right. So, let's have a quick look on the futures market before the market opens. What do you see from this table? How does the US or any stock market looking right now?
Bad for all of them.
It's bad. If you look at the percentage change or the net change, these are the points, that's the percentage. In North America and South America and other parts of America, it's pretty freaking red. Asia managed to close in green, but it's almost virtually nothing because it's close to zero. If you look at Europe, that's again 0.5%. But what's worrying is S&P, Texas 60. Yeah, it doesn't look good. So the bearish market sentiment should continue. Now, if you look at the S&P 500, which I showed you this morning. Oh, you bloody. Okay, that's the one. S&P 500, remember weightings. We're going to look at the composition of the S&P 500. By sector, what do you think is going to be the biggest sector with the heaviest weight in the S&P 500?
Well, we've seen this is a technology, new technology.
Information technology, 26%, which is bad. Now, around the US tech sector, obviously they're selling off because, recession is coming. Nobody wants to buy new iPhones. On the other hand, there's a massive shortage of chips, and now China has been banned to access the chip industry or whatever it is. But anyway, it's bearish news. And what we have to care about is that this has a massive weight in the stock market. So if Apple or any of the companies within the sector, these companies right here, start to sell off, the whole market is going to be dragged down. So I will be waiting for the sell opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the question is, we've done the macroeconomic analysis on the stock market. We've done the speculation that we know that the stock markets are going to sell off. Now we have to find an entry point to the sell. What do you think is going to have the highest potential for a nice juicy sell? Which price level?
Hold on, because I got it. I'm calculating. For me, it's going to be 2057. You know,
that's a pivot.
Pivot point. Yeah, pivot point.
Yeah, I'm going to hide it. Daily closes. Yeah.
This is also the golden zone Fibonacci from swing high to swing low.
Oh, golden zone Fibonacci.
And it's under the previous weekly close.
Yeah. I can see it, Bilal. I can clearly see it now.
No, I'm watching this since the beginning of the stream, and I'm calculating my size right now.
So, ladies and gentlemen, within 10 minutes, we've done the macroeconomic analysis, we've done the technical analysis, and now that we have a viable sell zone, what do you think? That's pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to set an alert. Thank you so much for the contribution. This is what I like, interactive analysis with the Alpha team. I'm going to set an alert when price massages the pivot. I'm going to be looking for sell opportunities. Now the only problem I have is what we have today in the earnings calendar, Tuesday. It's only Louis Vuitton. Well, all the Instagram traders. Nah, it's not gonna be a big hit. I think on Thursday, that's when we have the heavyweights are coming in. Friday is definitely characterized by the financials, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, blah blah blah. Now Friday is going to be quite dangerous because financials could have some good earnings due to the higher interest rate environment, but these companies are investment banks. But the other banks who provide consumer loans, mortgages, etc., they can help to lift up the financials market. Now these guys, I think overall they, I don't know whether they had a loss. We'll see. We'll find out. But usually they always close in profit because, big banks, they always close in profit. So we done the analysis for S&P 500, Dow Jones. Now let's move on to everyone's favorite, which is gold. What do you guys see on the chart? Clearly a downtrend, isn't it? We had the false bear market rally, and now we're reversing. Price is nicely respecting all these beautiful wedges. It's in a texture, hence we started to move sideways. So if you look on the chart, we have this sideways movement. And now we're just waiting. I see two probable and viable entry levels. The first one is the current price level, which because we have what it looks like a ceiling is forming. We have a floor as well. So it's either going to be the current price level or, which in my opinion is more viable, is the price to come a little bit higher, even above the daily pivot. Something like this. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks probable.
Who has any positions in gold?
I'm long.
Yeah, me too. I'm long.
I have a long position as well. It's currently running in 45 pips in profit.
Yeah, I'm 60% profit.
I'm 82.
Oh, I'll be measuring now.
Yeah, that's what we are doing now.
We're
live, right?
We are live, yes. Well done. Well done. So, okay, we discussed gold. I'm long in gold, but only intraday, waiting for a nice juicy sell setup. Let's quickly go back to trading view, because we want to do the same thing as we did with US 30. We want a nice juicy entry. By the way, US 30 is coming close to the sell zone, so keep your eyes open. And on gold, it's not very clear. For indication, let's have a look on the US Treasury yields. What the fish is happening with you, my love? Looks like it's breaking down the structure. That's not good. Yields are retreating, which is not good because, well, it's good because gold can, move lower a little bit. But I don't want to see yields coming much lower. So I'm going to set an alert just in case if yields dropping a little bit more. Okay. We've done the macro, we've done US 30. Let's quickly have on the currencies market. FX in it.
Yeah.
Looks like USD started to flatten out a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, I posted that like a couple of hours ago.
Apologies for that. I wasn't around at my desk. Let's have a look at USD Japanese yen. Now, USD Japanese yen just bounced off from the intervention level. You might remember this bad boy when the market pretty much crashed after 20 billion US dollar worth of USD has been sold by the Bank of Japan because they deemed the currency to be too weak. Now, since that, what changed on USD Japanese yen? What changed is that the Japanese Prime Minister let me pull up the article.
Yes. He said that he's okay with the loose monetary policy, and that he's going to continue to work with that.
Oh,
right?
Come on, Financial Times. Okay. So recently, the Japanese Prime Minister said in an interview, where are you, Japanese Prime Minister? No, Japanese Prime Minister is not here.
You have it on the group, on the Discord, Thomas.
Yeah, but I'm sharing the browser screen, so I wanted to show wonderful people of YouTube. Oh. Anyway, long story short, Japanese Prime Minister did say, by the way, this is looking for a good long opportunity on USD Japanese yen. So Japanese Prime Minister said that they're happy with the weak currency, so they're not looking into any intervention. Well, he wouldn't be sad if the Bank of Japan doesn't intervene in the market. He cannot tell the Bank of Japan what to do, but you know, once the Prime Minister says something in Japan, I think that Mr. Kuroda, head of central bank in Japan, is going to listen. So I entered into a long position on USD Japanese yen below. So I entered on the pivot, but now it's bouncing off. Don't think it's too late to enter. I know Raul is short on USD Japanese yen, right, Raul?
I already took my profit.
Very good, my friend. So I'm still holding my bias that USD is going to strengthen against the Japanese yen for many reasons. One of the reasons is that Bank of Japan intervened in the market with $20 billion. And yes, the market did crash, but did it help or not? Well, you know, in the medium run, or in less than a week, the market just, you know, came back where it was. So this was the intervention level. So it was like a fart of a butterfly. Didn't really have the required effect. And there's two different schools of thought or speculators in the market. The bears are speculating that Bank of Japan is going to intervene again in the market because they deem the Japanese yen way too weak and embarrassing to the country, to the nation. So they're going to intervene again in the market. Hence, you see that the bounce off from the intervention level. Now the bulls, here comes my favorite group. The bulls are actually, how to say, the bulls are speculating that the Bank of Japan won't be able to defend the currency. Now, why could this be? If we have a look on the US interest rate, which is, no, that's the unemployment rate, US interest rate, which is at 3.25%. How much is the Japanese interest rate?
-0.10.
Yeah. Do we have a chart for this? Trading view? No, thinking too much. Anyway, so we know exactly, Ali just mentioned the correct answer, that the Japanese interest rate is -0.1%. So the differential, the interest rate differential between the US and Japan is 3.15%. It's you know, 315 basis points. It's huge. Huge differential. Therefore, investors are going to prefer the good old American bonds because they get 3.25% return just on the interbank lending market. But if you go to, you know, the 10-year, it's already 3.8%, whopping almost you know, 4%. Hence, the market and investors are preferring USD, and this is why bulls are preferring the buys. Now, there's something called in the market which is the widowmaker. In case of Japan does intervene in the market, and if they go at full power, and if they start selling off like they did back in September, middle of September, 22nd of September, now it's going to be the day of the Widowmaker, because there will be so many widows who are going long on USD Japanese yen. It's a very risky trade, very high risk trade, but you know, sometimes you need to risk to reap the rewards. So I'm long on Japanese yen. Little bit wider stop loss because we marked already the bottom. Until the pivot holds, I'm gonna hold my buy position. So that's Japanese yen. And gold, ladies, is going up, right? Coming close to the sell level. I cannot pull back the original sell position that we had on gold. It doesn't matter. So I will be taking profits at 1680, somewhere around 1680. So we discussed gold, we discussed US 30, Japanese yen. Anything else?
US 30 is going near the zone.
GBP.
Oh, I said goodbye to GBP weeks ago when the misery started.
Uh-oh.
So Hubert Bialoglovich, Cześć, Koamcze, is asking, when I join the Alpha FX, will have your analysis live? Do you guys have my analysis live every day?
Every morning.
Every freaking morning. Every freaking morning. Every freaking morning I do the morning briefing, which helps me to prepare, keeps me moving. And I do record it and I upload it to the website. So those people who miss it at 8 AM UK time can rewatch it. So yes, you will have my full analysis every day. And shall we analyze GBP? Ali, what do you prefer? GBP Japanese yen or GBP USD?
Well, to be honest with you, I think the GU is more important now because pound is going to be the driving. JPY, I think UJ would cover also the JPY in that case.
Okay, so do you want GBP USD?
Well, it's the team decision. It's not to me.
Well, you are the expert in GBP.
Whatever the team prefers, I'm okay with it.
Fabio Bravo is saying GJ. Be affirmative, be strong, Ali. Choose one.
No, I don't have any analysis on GJ to be honest with you, so I can't.
And what analysis do you have on?
On GU basically, it's based on the USD more than on the pound itself. Yeah, and because tomorrow we have those news, so I think that the pound is gonna have take some rest from the bear run, just to take some rest until tomorrow. That's how
that's the GBP. Well, that will depend on the news coming out of.
And by the way, US. No, it's just like, you know, I'm not saying that's pre-news. It's a small break pre-news. By the way, the US 30 entered the zone. I think they'll be happy.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
I'm afraid
Whoa.
it rejects right now.
Wow. Full short. Go on. 30 lots in it. Let's quickly zoom in. my alert didn't really react so quickly. Oh, I see some heavy losses going on in the team. Very nice. I'm gonna keep it tight stop loss on this one, ladies and gentlemen. If it wants to come higher, it will come higher. So I'm gonna be sensible, maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, something like this. What do you think? Stop loss is sufficient above the 61.80?
Where did you put it? Oh. Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, around the wick. If it respects the sell
Very
zone.
good. Very good. Okay, so short position on USD Japanese yen have been entered. And now going back to TradingView. Alright, so there's not much to do. When it hits the stop loss, we will know.
Yeah.
On GBP, there has been more news from the Bank of England trying to do a little bit more intervention going on by the Bank of England, but that's only really trying to offset the Chancellor and the other idiot politicians that are messing everything out.
It's like damage control, doesn't it, Alan?
It is damage control, exactly. That's what it is.
It is proper damage control.
Because the GBP is performing slightly better than the euro today, so you know it has having an effect. But obviously, most of it is down to how strong the dollar.
Yeah, I'm not sure which was worse for the British pound. Boris Johnson resigning or Liz Truss taking control.
Boris Johnson.
Come on.
To be honest with you, both.
But
Sorry, say again.
But you know, the new one, yeah, is not exactly performing very well, and she seems to be surrounding herself with very dubious people. So it doesn't bode well for her at all. I think we'll be changing prime minister again soon.
Yeah,
They're actually working on putting a revolving door on number 10 to make it.
and don't be surprised to see Boris Johnson again before Christmas.
No, we won't see Boris Johnson again. He's unelected.
Sorry, ladies. I'm just gonna close down my long position on gold now, and I'm gonna start shorting it.
We are on the pivot.
Are we?
The weekly, or the monthly pivot.
Okay.
1670. It's had a breakout and it's falling back under.
I did enter into a short position, and I'm going to be targeting the previous low. That's sufficient. I'm going to enter 2 positions. One of them is smaller than the other one. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. I'm going to leave one runner. Going back to a trading view. So the position looks like something like this.
Yeah. Took partials. I'm leaving my long.
It could play out, yes. It could come higher. The first thing I'm speculating on is the consolidation that appeared. So I'm gonna use the ceiling.
The USD is showing weak. The USD index is showing.
Fuck. US30 is pumping back up. Now it's only the pivot that can hold it back. It's running in a little drawdown. Let's see how it's going to play out. US30 hit my stop loss. It was too tight. Okay. Gold again. It's not looking good today. Let's quickly wait. US30.
The US index is showing reversal signs of the USD, and that also might affect gold and US30. I know it's not directly proportional to US30.
Okay, let's see what US30 wants. Am I going to come back all the way to the main trend line? That is close to the pivot. I'm gonna enter into another short. That's a way better entry now. So US 30. Yeah. The second entry. And we have an hour until New York Stock Exchange open.
I'll wait for the 29,300 and a bit 50,
29,300.
40, get in.
Let's see. How is it going to react? Camo US 30 trader is asking, do I trade Germany? No, I don't. German 30.
We tried once. Do you remember?
Oh, man. That didn't end well.
That's it.
First trade was a loss, then it was the last trade.
Yeah.
So directly.
He spanked me so freaking hard that I couldn't even wake up to like, what the fish is happening? So current positions, I'm selling gold, selling US 30, buying the USD. But today, it's quite a unique market. I'm not really feeling it. But we still have plenty of time until the stream is ending.
And you cannot double your money today.
No. But I'm gonna lock in some profits on US 30. There's some serious money on the table, so it's stupid to leave it. Come on, people, wake up.
We are.
I don't feel good today.
Me neither.
Can you feel it?
No, we should have seen this retracement way earlier right now.
Let's see. Let's just until we wait. We have time to read the news. Oh, come on. Okay. Yes, Bank of England definitely lost. Well, the government lost credibility. Bank of England is now trying to control the damage. Bank of England intervention to calm markets hasn't capped yields. Okay.
I think this is a bit late for them.
Late for
To give some power to the pound again. They're way back below behind the US in terms of
interest rate.
we're gonna be always behind the US in terms of interest rate, and the economical news are just from bad
Oh,
to worse.
whoa! Gold is reversing. Looks like.
Yep.
Yes, yes, yes.
30 also.
Are we going to double our money today?
Yes.
Expected the pivot. nicely. Daily.
Yeah. Who's long and who's short?
On what?
On anything. Gold.
I'm still
US
long
30.
on gold. US 30 short. Euro dollar, I'm long.
US 30 entry, if it does respect the pivot, then it's a sniper entry, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully.
I would be proud of you, Thomas.
We still have the potential of trend line retest, so we could
Yeah.
see that drop. We could see a drop on US 30, but that could
Yeah.
be just a temporary drop.
Don't go crazy with the lot sizes. Our prime day is going to be definitely Thursday. It's going to be an easy trade if you have the right number and if you have the nice setups, because we know exactly what to do if inflation is creeping up.
Yeah, I'm looking at non-conventional charts, to be honest with you, because markets are crazy those days.
Wow, energy is definitely the culprit for inflation in the recent months, and services as well. Look at that. The blue represents the services, excluding energy. That's insane. Insane increase. Very interesting. Are we going to double our money or not?
For energy prices like in your country.
Shit. It's like 3-4 times. No, actually even higher than the market price, because the government is trying to make some money. It's terrible. Every single day I see people on Facebook, families, fathers, mothers, elderlies, they posting their heating. There's not even heating season, but the gas and electricity is quadrupled in the past few weeks. And imagine the pensioners who doesn't have much increase in the pension, maybe 4 or 5% now because of the inflation. They have some increase, but imagine that how can they live with this small money? The families who have mortgages, credit card bills, etc. It's terrible, and they're posting that they don't know what to do
Europe
because
needs to stop.
yeah,
Sorry.
they pretty much living up all the tiny savings these families had. They're living it up, and it's terrible to see. Every single day, it's getting worse.
But they need to stop with this policy against Russia, because we're not United States in Europe, so we can't afford to sanction Russia. I think that's stupid.
You should see Lebanon, Thomas. It's 2,000% inflation.
No, it's still
Oh, yeah.
145.
Yeah, Lebanon is special. Wow, look at that beautiful sell on US 30, guys.
Yeah, started to.
Oh my god, that juicy sell is coming, innit?
Perfecto. Yeah.
That is a sniper entry. And do you want to see something more beautiful? Is my position holding for like days and weeks now. That is 3 positions on US 30. I'm holding 0.2 lots. That's
Nice. I'm holding one position on US 30 from 29816. Plus this one, the new one. Thomas, I wanted to ask you something besides the main pairs. I don't think it's the right time to discuss it now, but maybe I can get an answer on that later on.
Why are you discussing it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Gold is reversing
No,
now
I'm not-
again. Sorry.
I'm not gonna. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you about the Turkish lira. It is performing stable against the US dollar. I know it's an exotic pair, and that it is
Against
not,
the US
it is
dollar.
not- yeah, and I know that. Yeah, I mean, if you compare the pound and the euro over the last 6 months, they've been tumbling like crazy, while the change between on the USD Turkish lira has been like insignificant in comparison with the euro and the pound. So
Well, what do we consider
logically
stable? Is Oh,
yeah,
look
I
at
know.
this.
No.
Sorry.
The dollar, get up.
Yeah, no. I know. No, don't worry. I know this chart by heart. I can
Yeah,
tell you every
I'm
single,
sure.
every single date. I can tell you how the prices were, and but I mean, while everything crashed against the dollar, it's only the Turkish lira. While they are cutting the interest rate, the only central bank cutting the interest rate is the Turkish central bank, and still in a way or another, I don't know how, Turkish lira manages to hold position in a way or another.
On the first part of the question, I can answer why they're cutting the interest rate is because the Turkish government has someone called President Erdogan who is actively intervening in the monetary policy one way or another, indirectly. So intervening, that's why they're cutting the interest rate. Now, why is the Turkish lira looks like it's relatively stable against another basket of currencies? I don't know the answer, really, to be honest. I don't know the dynamics behind the Turkish lira. No idea. I would say that, you know, normally if it was another richer country, I would say yes, because they have enough FX reserve to protect against the strengthening of the US dollar, but that would be bullshit because we know that Turkey cannot even compare to the size of the reserves of the Fed or the Treasury. So I don't know, honestly.
Yeah, the reserve is maximum 60 billion. That's max. That's what they announced officially.
No idea, honestly.
Yeah. Thank you. Anyway.
But we can start analyzing more in depth if you want.
I don't want to take time from the stream. Maybe that's
No, not now, but in general, we can have a look on the Turkish economy and analyze it from an economist's perspective. See what kind of things not to do in monetary policy. It's only kidding. It's bad in Turkey, the interest rate, the inflation, and in Lebanon.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, the inflation here is raised 100% officially, but in Lebanon, that's way far.
Al-Muhtar asking, by the way, can I ask, can you lose? Of course I can lose, mate. No one is bulletproof on the market. I lose every single day. So I win every single day. Alright, I think we pretty much done the analysis. We entered into 2 positions, 3 positions. Now we just wait.
Now we wait and we hydrate.
Yeah, we watch the paint dry. Or we can play a game.
we can play a game about who wish to move where on the planet. You know?
I can't hear you.
Like if you would need to, you know, overnight move from where you're currently living, where would you go?
What?
If you need to move, for instance, you know, you're right here, you're living in Hungary, and you need to move to live somewhere else, where would you go?
Yeah, we can play that. Or I was thinking maybe I could give a monthly membership to one of the people on YouTube. Which one should it be?
Nice too. But what are they gonna do for this membership?
If we give away a membership, should we give away a membership for a month?
Yeah. Could be nice to have another.
It's a good idea.
Are you sure you want to do it? Just give away free membership for someone? Why not two people?
Well, you always have the ability to reverse it if you feel that it was a wrong decision.
Indeed, it happened many times before. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the competition. The first thing I want everyone to do on YouTube is to join the Telegram group, because that's where I'm going to select the winner. So I will be. If you go below the video in the description, you see my Telegram group. All you have to do is join the Telegram group, and I will post the details of how you can win a membership. All right, let's see. Quickly, just one look on the markets. Didn't really move much. Gold is still struggling to find its way. US 30 is in profit. US Japanese yen is in profit. So the competition will be to share this stream's link in any trading group, and you have to post a screenshot in Telegram in the discussion section. So where I post the competition, click on the comment and post a screenshot, and I will be selecting the winner. Is it fair? What do you think? I think it's an easy thing to do.
I think you're really good.
Good deal in it.
Extra points when you share it in a certain Telegram group. Something with cartel.
Your mic is really quiet.
Oh, better. Do they get some extra points when they share it in some specific groups?
I know what you mean. What you're thinking, but no.
No. Something with cartel in it.
What's happening with those
guys? I
gentlemen?
never heard anything anymore.
Special interest websites.
We know you, Mr. Gallagher.
What's happening with them? Are they still operating?
Who's that?
The gold cartel. A bunch of gentlemen.
Bilmiyorum. I don't know in Turkish.
Okay, just setting up the competition post in Telegram. So keep your eye on Telegram. And the good thing is that I will be announcing the winner today in this live stream within an hour. So good to
Raul, by the
Telegram.
way, you can participate also in the YouTube channel.
Ah, shit. I have some screen prints, especially not allowed for YouTube, but okay. Then I quit. I'm done for the day.
We know you belong to a lot of specialist websites, Raoul, that you can post on.
I don't hear you.
Ellen,
Your
are you
mic is-
talking into a bottle?
I'm just away from my laptop. No, I just like Raoul probably has lots of specialized websites which he visit regularly, so you know he's probably quite useful for us to post.
Guys, I'm not that stupid to go to that kind of websites on my work computer.
Oh, it doesn't have to be your own computer. Don't worry, you can.
Yeah,
You know, just
we don't do that on my work computer.
Any secondary laptop will do the job.
He does it on his phone anyway, so.
Yeah.
No, then the boobs are too small. Hey, by the way,
That's a good one.
what does Cinderella do when? What does Cinderella do when she comes
Oh
to the
no.
ball? She gags.
Oh my god. Raoul.
Oh, sorry, we're on YouTube, right?
Yeah, we are on YouTube.
Oh,
I'm telling. That's fine.
then I reached my goal. Tell it on YouTube.
That was your
During
life
your
goal,
life.
wasn't it?
Welcome
Yes.
to the last alpha stream on YouTube.
Yeah, that's gonna be the last one.
Something like that. Oh, yeah, great.
Yeah, instead of reporting someone this time, we're gonna be reported.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, gold going down, nice.
Can they share on binary groups? Someone asked.
Yeah.
Everywhere, where you want, my friend.
Non-binary groups if you want, you know.
Oh, there's only two people participated so far in the competition. So it's gonna be an easy choice who's getting the monthly membership. It's Mr. G, Moneycare, Manifesto, Shaheen, or Usman. I should give all of them free membership.
Someone is broke in Africa.
Oh, look at gold. Look at US 30. It's in profit for now.
B is reacting on YouTube. Aura will never change. Hi,
Yeah,
B.
I'm not
Hi,
gonna-
B.
I'm not gonna tell them about your 69 comments also.
That's 79 now because of inflation.
That's gonna be triple digits soon in that case.
And with this, how fast it inflation rises, it's in the end of the year is 96.
Yeah.
Ah, Raoul.
Oh, yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, our entry on US 30s so far, it's a modest profit, but it's in a profit. And it looks like that the people in... Wow, some heavy whales enter the competition. King. And... There's a Calvin. Calvin shared in a group of 2 people. Ahmed Shafiu. Yes, very good. Gold MV VIP chat. And someone from the group entered into the competition, and I mentioned to Holly that he is a member, so he cannot get the membership. Oh my god. Holly, if you're a member, there's no point entering into the competition because you are a member already. You have a membership already. And now we have a new hourly candle. We have a new 4-hour candle. No, just an hourly on gold. A 4-hour on US 30. Oh, wow. IMF. I just got the message in Bloomberg that the IMF has cut its global growth forecast next year to 2.7% from 2.9%. It's getting worse and worse, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. That's bad.
You're going viral, Thomas. In all those Telegram chats.
Really?
A lot of trying to get that membership.
Let's have a look on those bad boys. What are they doing? Quickly.
But we have in tradition, every new member have to sing a song at the first briefing, right? Morning briefing.
Half naked, yes.
Not necessarily half naked. I don't know what kind of people joining. But it's like football, and a new member, a new teammate is coming, and you have to sing a song.
Depending on the gender.
A song of their choice.
Yep.
Yeah, so the problem is, last time Raoul was going to sing naked, but he demanded fiver from all the members not to.
You don't want to see me naked.
No.
Nope, definitely.
Then you're
not.
fucking jealous, Alan.
I don't have a six-pack like you.
You serious?
Oh, very good. People are sharing the stream link and entering into the competition, and now it looks like a competition because 40 people have commented on the post. So it is a real competition.
Yeah, but some of them shares twice or even more.
The more the merrier.
Yeah, it counts.
Yeah,
Every
don't spam.
post counts as one.
No. Every sharing can be posted once. But I know Javier, a guy, last time during competition, he copy-pasted the same picture, but he spammed, which is not allowed. That was a bit cheeky.
Okay, now that's... Someone show your... It's nice. Some of them, you went up a little bit of viewers.
It was 526 before, now dropped to 477. I don't know what's happening. Yes, free membership. Participate. Go to Telegram. Link in the video, under the video below, and read the entry requirements. Don Kanavati says that he wants to be a monthly member. He will sing and dance to double his money. Very good. Liban Mohammed Asik, where do we post it, sir? I mean the proof. The video you're watching right now on YouTube, go down in the description, there's a Telegram link. Join the Telegram group and read the last post. It will become clear.
Someone asking what membership, Telegram or YouTube? So yeah,
OnlyFans.
maybe you have to explain a little bit more, Thomas.
I don't need explanation. People understand. I'm tired of explaining myself. And I'm gonna get some water. Hold tight.
I hope we don't end up doing entertainment business instead of forex.
Yeah.
What do you think, Paul?
What? Sorry, I didn't listen. What did you say?
I hope we don't end up doing entertainment business instead of forex. And of course, entertainment between brackets.
What is it?
And I am back. Do you know what's the #1 thing you shouldn't do when you cut chilies?
Yeah, you shouldn't rub your eyes.
Exactly, you shouldn't rub your eyes, which I just did, and it's fucking hurting. Oh my god. Luckily, it was just it wasn't the goose chili.
You shouldn't rub other things either.
What was that?
Rub other things either.
Alan, are you in a submarine or?
He said he shouldn't rub other things either.
Good point. Good point.
We all live in a yellow submarine, right, Alan?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, I think he was referring to your hair. You got it wrong.
Oh, Mohammed Al Baiti says on YouTube that he was banned from where? From Telegram? Maybe you've been a naughty boy, Mohammed. I don't know. I have no idea. If you're banned, maybe the admin banned you. I'm only posting into the Telegram group. Send me a direct message and I sort you out. You've been a bad boy, Mohammed. Oh, baby, don't spam other live traders or streamers on YouTube, because that's gonna piss them off. Please. Only into Telegram groups. Alright, so far we have 51, 52, 53 posts in Telegram. So in about 40 minutes or an hour, I'm going to announce the winner. And quickly have a look on TradingView and the markets. So we are 22 minutes away from the New York Stock Exchange Open. Looking at the economic calendar for today, there's not many quantitative events that we can trade. Well, absolutely nothing, really. ECB loan. Lane speaking. It's going on right now. I don't think it's going to move the market. There's not much happening. Shaikh Uzaif is asking how many winner announced you. 1 or 2, we'll see. Depends on the participation rate. And if you share it in the Gold Carters group, you get already a membership with me. I don't like how the market stopped before New York Open. Everything is pretty much flat. Same as yesterday, and I'm so thankful that I didn't trade yesterday. That was painful to watch. There was some movement, but it was painful. And I was lucky that I was out. And so for the market, as soon as we started streaming, it did start to move. We did enter into some nice juicy positions, sniper entry on US 30. Other than that, the market is flat.
I'm watching the US index, and it is potentially now retesting on 30 minutes.
The dollar
after a
index.
breakout. Yeah. But you know, it's really hard to tell.
Same to you, Blasted them. Happy Tuesday. Oh, gold. Gold looks like going to respect the consolidation top, the ceiling. So far it's a nice juicy entry. And I did a small poll on YouTube asking whether gold will fly or dump today. It's really close. 43 people says it's going to fly, 44% says dump, and 13 says both.
On the 4-hour time frame, the US index shows that it should break the previous high, which means more power on the US, on the SD side. But if I go to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes, it shows a potential big correction.
So we could see some more upward movement.
Yeah, so it depends how you look at it. The lower time frame shows a correction, so this means that the USD is going to slow down. And the higher time frame shows that it should break the previous high.
On gold, if I go back to TradingView, I'm not too confident on this trade. That's hence I marked 2% potential entries. But since gold is moving sideways, I'm gonna be closing down the position, one of them, the higher position. So that is going to be closed now. And the maximum risk I can lose is £500, which is a lot of money. But we have to risk in order to win. Now in US 30, I'm going to be leaving this position because I think it has more potential. Now the only problem is that it's way too close to New York Open. So the current price level to the entry level is close, and New York Open is coming up in 16 minutes, which is a bit worrying. And finally, the last position I have today on USD Japanese Yen was a bit tricky. It did close me out twice today, and I re-entered again. No, once, and I re-entered again. And I'm speculating, not heavily, but I'm speculating that the Bank of Japan won't be able to protect the Japanese yen, and also the Japanese Prime Minister just openly admitted today that they are fine with the weak Japanese yen and urging companies to raise wages, pass on cost to consumers because they want some more inflation in the country. Hence, I'm long on USD Japanese yen, and I will continue to be long until they intervene, of course.
Someone asked what your longest held trade is, Thomas. I wonder.
It depends on which asset class. Because when I was a fixed income trader, we bought US corporate bonds for years, with 2 years, 5 years maturity.
Yeah, but let's say now as independent trader, full-time trader.
I would say 2 to 3 weeks.
I can remember the gold trade.
Yeah.
I can remember last year's gold trade from 1680.
That was a month.
You kept them
last year.
Yeah, about a month.
And I have a question from Carl Barlow. Hello, Carl. How do you draw your risk and reward box? Top being red. What is the question? How do you draw your risk and reward box?
I think it's in trading view, Thomas. It's the
this.
Yeah, it's the trade you put. Yeah.
Yeah, it's you can choose the stop color, which is the risk tolerance. You double click in it. You choose the stop color, which is the risk tolerance zone. So the entry minus the stop loss, and then target color. I could change it to pink. I can change it to blue. I can change it to purple. I can change it to any color. And to be honest, TradingView is, in my opinion, a much better tool to trade, to analyze than even Bloomberg, because let me show you how does a Bloomberg chart looks. It has advantages over TradingView, but it also has weaknesses. So you have to press G on the keyboard to pull up the functions. And let's have a look on an intraday price chart on Bloomberg. How does it look like? So this is what it looks like. Oh, come on. Let's have a look in gold. Obviously, you can customize it as much as you want. Customize. Where's the customize? Oh, edit chart. You click in it, you can customize it as you want. So you can have some nice charts, but I think the power in the Bloomberg charts is that you can put two charts together. That was one of the biggest strengths. It's more flexible than TradingView, but now you can do on TradingView as well. Show grid. But anyway, I did set up once. It's gone now. So I think I like the customization of TradingView. It's a much nicer, more elegant way, in my opinion. So people who just joined the Zoom call or the stream, we have two setups. The first one is gold, which is quite risky. It's a high risk trade. I'm speculating on the consolidation ceiling, but of course, if you look at the bigger trend, gold can easily visit against 1690. The correlation with US 30 did divert a little bit, and the other trade is US 30, which I have more confidence in for now. But every single time if I see a sell opportunity, with the help of Bilal, we draw up this sell zone, which has the highest potential for sells. And we did enter into a sell, and it is already in a modest profit. Let's see what the remaining of the afternoon is going to bring. We still have the New York Open coming up in 10 minutes that can shake up the markets, let's put it this way. If you look at the general market sentiment, it's been characterized all across every asset class in the markets. It's quite bearish. If you look at Bloomberg news, everyone is talking about the recession that's coming. IMF cut the growth forecast with 0.2%. IMF warns worst is yet to come. Steps to slow inflation raise risk. It's quite bearish news for stocks, doesn't it? And 9 minutes. I'm going to have some fun in the markets because the US is about to open. Aha! Positive Man JB in the Zoom chat is asking, hi Tomasz, just joining. Do you think Bank of Japan can intervene when US CPI is just around the corner? Good question. I wish I could work at the Bank of Japan, or ever worked, or I wish I could know when they're going to intervene, but I cannot answer this question. Maybe Ali can answer this question.
The number you are calling is switched off or out of coverage area.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's quite a boring day. Which is not good, because usually when we enter, market already starts either flying or dumping, but it's markets and weeks when it's leading up to key events such as the CPI, it's just so freaking boring. I should go on holiday.
Yeah, I think the market is ranging because of those big days coming.
Here we go. We should see some volatility now.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Oh no. Where is gold going, ladies and gentlemen? Where is gold going? It's no good.
It ain't going anywhere. It's $1 consolidation since the last maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
9:21. Historic PC shipment plunge intensifies tech worry. Semiconductor stocks are poised to extend their underperformance, with the sharp drop in global PC shipments adding a concern about soft demand. Tech megacaps were among the S&P top 5 decliners by value ahead of the bell. And the bell is about to get ringed in 7 minutes. And US 30 is selling off now. Very nice. You can double your money with the Alpha FX. Get your wife's credit card or wallet. Deposit some money.
Please don't
There's
remind
not that much on that wallet credit card.
Don't remind us, Thomas, please. Come on, US 30.
Oh, US 30 is definitely. I'm going to, let's have a look on.
Gold is stubborn. It's the only pair which is not moving almost.
Yeah, gold is stubborn, but you know, we talked about the and let me come back to TradingView to show you the correlation which recently started to break down. So get the gold chart. You can do visual correlation analysis in TradingView for months now, which is a great function that they added, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You get the asset you want to compare to another asset. You select it, you pull it on the chart, then you go to the watch list. You scroll down to the other asset you want to choose. In this case, it's US 30. You right click, add US 30 to compare. This is a new function. It's been like introduced in 6 months ago. You add it. Okay, we added it, but now it's looked like a pile of crap. But we have to normalize the data. So you right click into the line chart that is pulled up on the gold chart, which is representing US 30. You right click on it, and you go to pin to new scale, you select pin to new left scale, and boom, now the chart is kind of normalized. You can see, oh, it started again. So that was a divergence between US 30 and gold recently. So US 30 was selling off way sharper than the gold market. Of course, we had divergences before, but yesterday it moved and now it's moving again. And in my opinion, it looks like it's been fixed, the correlation. Whoa, US 30 is selling off nicely. Who's selling US 30?
I am, fortunately.
Me too.
Me too.
Very good. You can double your money.
Yeah, it's dropping quite hard.
Gold?
It's good. No, US 30.
Yeah, it is. It's dropping
I
so
really
freaking
don't
hard.
see gold today. I'm gonna stay away from gold.
That's wise. So far, 58 people entered the competition for the monthly membership giveaway. Just to recap, what you have to do is go down into the description under the video. You see a Telegram link. Join the Telegram link and read the last post. All you have to do is share this stream's link into any trading group and you can get a monthly membership for free with me. How awesome is that?
With us?
Free membership. You can double your money every day with me.
Come on, US 30. You can do it. 3 more pips. Come on.
Very nice.
Yes.
I'm going to lock in 50% of the profit on US 30 because we have 2 minutes until US Open.
Gonna take 50%? That's a lot, you know.
Yeah, but I entered with a heavy lot. So I entered the max. I can only open 5 lots on US 30. I maxed it out. And I closed it down now. It was good money. And we have 45 seconds until New York Open. US 30 already started to plunge. Gold is moving sideways. Which direction is the market going to head? And we have 30 seconds until New York Open.
Finish him!
Let's get ready to rumble! Let's get ready to rumble!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And New York is officially open. Let's see how the market is going to react to all the bearish news that's poisoning the market. So far, so good.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Quickly, let's have a look on the futures market. Everything is red. Beautiful. Oh, US 30 is selling off. Easy money, isn't it?
No, there is no easy money.
Well,
Yes,
today
there
was
is.
easy money.
Yeah.
You get paid for the patience.
Indeed.
So nothing is easy.
So, oh, US 30 is pushing back. Make the money,
Yep.
take the money. I locked in half of the position. I advise everyone to you know, at least lock in some profits. We are in profit. Don't leave it on the table.
It
This could
tested
be
a
a
50 moving
retest.
average and went up.
Yeah, exactly. It's a retest also on my chart.
In the 50 minutes. And on that strange we got a reaction.
Oh, US 30, cheeky bugger, don't do this again. It's retesting the daily pivot. Could be. So I will be announcing the winner. I will be selecting the winner. 2 winners actually for a monthly membership at 3:45. So you have 13 seconds to enter into the competition and win a monthly membership with me. I will be delivering every single morning daily briefings for the team. I talk about macroeconomics, fundamentals, translating it into viable trading strategy with technical analysis. If you want to...
Member of the FIP Discord, also
Yeah.
important.
And if you wish, you get enter the competition, join the Telegram group link in the video description, and just share this stream link into any trading group. Easy. Free membership. Milad, is it you? Look at that, gold is dropping finally. Running in, a whopping 21 pips of profit.
I don't like that range, Anka.
Guerrero Investment is asking, Tomasz,
Good.
how did you get the terminal, the Bloomberg terminal? I purchased it. I'm testing it for a month because I used to have Bloomberg for years, but when I used to work on the fixed income desk as a fixed income bond trader, it had added value back then, but as a spot trader, I'm testing whether it has the same kind of added value, but so far I wouldn't say it's that much added value it has. If you want a cheaper alternative for free, I can recommend Koifin. I'm not affiliated with Koifin, but it's a wonderful application. It has many very good charts. You can have a grasp about what's happening in the markets. You can have a look on even the corporate bond market. Corporate credit market, it's called. Which is one of the most important things you have to look at as a trader and investor. And it has many functionalities, the same and even simpler than Bloomberg. And you have TradingView. You don't need Bloomberg really, but I'm testing whether it has any added value.
March, can I ask you how much Koifin cost for
Nothing.
a membership? Oh, it's free?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
There
For
is
a
some
month.
paid. No, even after it's
Oh.
free. I don't pay anything for Koifin. There are some
okay.
functionalities which you have to pay for, but you can get it for free. Just register. It's a very good application.
Thank you.
Oh, Gold Admin just posted my stream link into his group. Okay, so we have 8 minutes until I'm going to advertise the 2 winners.
Your studies matching.
Oh yeah, we like it melting, don't we?
Of course, like it.
Go, go, go.
Oh, I'm gonna get some food. I'm back in 2 minutes. Keep trying the market.
We'll do, don't worry.
And Raul, no dirty jokes, yo? Okay, please, no dirty jokes.
No dirty jokes.
You see, you're ruining
Yeah, but
our reputation.
you can post it on YouTube, bro, with no problem.
Oh, well, you must have a better joke there.
Yeah, but that I can really don't tell on YouTube.
Oh, don't you have any clean ones?
Monday the 17th.
What did I miss?
A very rude joke from Raul, but we can't speak.
No. I said
I can hear
can't
everything.
tell that on YouTube. I can't tell that on YouTube. It's too rude.
He was mentioning something about a job, but we didn't know what kind of job.
Ask if it's Monday the 17th.
Oh.
More I didn't do. Guys, I didn't do anything else. I behaved.
On gold, I'm closing down my position
Nice
because
spike.
I don't like the way gold behaves, so
no.
I'm gonna pull out with 150.
It touched on the 50 moving average on the 5 minutes and then boom, go up again.
Yeah, I'm gonna close down gold.
Yep.
And I'm out of the gold position. Remainder of the positions I have is USD JPY. That I'm going to hold. US 30 also going to hold. And I don't have any other positions. And my trust is in US 30. I mean, we've been shorting it for days, for weeks. Well, for days. Let's not exaggerate it.
Years.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock in some more profit on US 30. Yes. And I doubled my money today, ladies and gentlemen.
Good job.
Yeah, man.
Guerrilla Investment or Guerrero Investment is asking, Tomasz, today we have inflation, consumer expectation. How this can inflame positive or negative on gold? Do we have a consumer expectation on inflation? I wouldn't pay too much. No. Well, consumer. If you ask anyone, what's the inflation expectation, they're gonna say it's high. So I think it's going to be positive, but it's not the inflation data I want. I want the CPI, not inflation expectation. So I pulled that from gold.
Yeah, I mean, Raul's joke was something about pulling out, but I didn't quite get it on.
Come on, guys.
I wish I knew there would come some reactions when you said that.
Gold admin is gonna buy until 1700. Yep, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna sell gold. I pulled out. But yes, the plan B, not the type of plan B, but plan B was a buy since this morning. But I had enough of gold.
And guess who's the bastard? Guess who's the bastard who's still buying gold?
What?
You.
Yeah, that's me.
Good. I'm still waiting. 72 is my first point to sell, and my second point is about 78. Patience is a virtue, so I don't do anything, guys.
You are definitely right. 100% right.
So Adam from, do you remember Adam? Patrick Bateman?
Yeah.
No, he's bad-mouthing me in some groups, but he's a little prick and needs a good spanking. Now, he's been kicked out from the group because his behavior was non-alpha. He was begging for money, he was begging for challenges from Dave. He asked him to pay for a challenge. Anyway, he's going to get a really bad personality. And now he's bad-mouthing me in groups, but he is a prick.
That's not
gold is going up, ladies and gentlemen.
And isn't YouTube also right?
Yeah, he's an all-time loser.
No, that's not good. To ask people for money or challenges.
Yeah, you can sometimes tell from somebody's behavior. You can tell how he is. Like, even if I go mad about someone, I won't lose my time and go on groups like trying to say bad things about him. Definitely, I have much better things to do in my life, innit?
Yeah, right.
Instead of wasting your time and going just, saying this and that about.
Yeah.
The problem is that some people cannot digest it. That if they behave in a way that it's against the group ethos and the community, they cannot accept it because they think they are right. And it's the same thing as like playing chess with a pigeon. It's going to shit on the table, going to wipe everything off the table and walk like he's right. It's pointless.
Yeah, unfortunately.
That's the first time I heard about chess being played with pigeons. Very nice one.
Yeah.
Often it's in the park.
Really?
Where do you have pigeons otherwise? And people play chess in the park.
In my area, you should see the dogs and cats. It's literally raining dogs and cats here, and not metaphorically speaking.
And that sentiment thing, the consumer inflation expectation, it's not even mentioned in Bloomberg. That important is the news, so I'm just gonna ignore that. Right, US 30 is struggling. Gold looks like it's gonna go higher. I don't have any open positions on gold. I have three sells on US 30. I'm gonna hold on to that. But in gold, I want to see either the break of this consolidation first, and then reaction to key levels. Upske Gold says, Wyckoff SOS go in Dubai XAU. I think he is implying to buy gold. Good luck with that. I'm not gonna buy anything on gold. I don't feel gold today. And when you don't feel gold, what do you have to do? Don't fucking trade it. Just walk away, yeah. I'm not gonna sell, not gonna buy, I'm just going to observe.
That trade is no trade.
Indeed.
Gold
No
seem
trade,
to respect that 72 level.
It looks like the resistance. Whose resistance?
Well, Raul mentioned 1672, and it
What did he mention?
respect that perfectly.
Raul.
Sorry?
Raul mentioned.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Did you mention Raul 17?
Yes.
16? Did you?
That's my first level, and the second level was something about 78.
Yeah.
I said.
Oh,
So I did a quick sell at that.
tough man.
Nice.
Good luck with that. I'm
But it's
tempted
in
to
and
go in
out,
a sell,
Alan.
but
Don't trust gold too much today.
Oh no,
Yeah.
I've already closed it. I mean, I'm just taking a small profit and then
Alan,
not worrying about it.
Alan,
That's it, Alan.
Alan, did you pull out already?
Yeah, I always pull out early.
But sorry, no, I don't like the joke. No, not to Alan, not to Alan.
I would have thought, especially to me, Raul.
No, everybody else, but not to Alan.
No, that's my biggest problem. I always pull out too early.
And FOREX, isn't it?
Oh, didn't we
US
forget
17.
something? Didn't forget something?
Yeah.
Announcing the winner in the competition, the giveaway. While
Yes,
US
I think
30 is
you
meriting.
are looking of counting all the names.
Oh, is my sound better now? Because I've just switched to a mic.
Oh, so much better, Alan.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to know the winner of the competition, I urge you to go to my Telegram channel, because within 1 minute, now let's give it another 5 minutes, you can still enter the competition. You can even maximize your chances of winning the membership if you post into another group and post a proof into my Telegram. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, to give the chance again to everyone. US 30 is nicely dropping.
US 30 is still in the retest zone, so that's we just have to wait now. No clear direction.
Golden Bay is asking, Tomasz, where can I find your pip calculator? The pip calculator. Go into my YouTube.
You have to be a member. Oh.
No, it's free. I'm not gonna sell other people's work. If you go to my YouTube, there's a video about how to install the pip counter in MetaTrader. I made a whole video about this. Yes, you can share it in WhatsApp group, Telegram group, swinger groups, any kind of groups. You can sell the link to enter the competition. What does gold do? Baba Krauf is asking. I asked the same question. I think it's going to continue a little bit higher. I pulled that from sell. I'm not going to buy. I'm just observing gold. I'm selling US 30 heavily. And I'm buying USD Japanese yen. These are the two trades I have.
Ali!
Ali, I think your wife is calling you.
Yeah. You're late again.
You're in trouble.
Or you have to do something.
That's when you touch the table while she's preparing the food.
Didn't sound good. They're like, Ali! I'm like, whoa.
Yeah,
it's a firm women.
الله يرحمك يا علي.
Yeah.
Good one, Milad. Seems he's gonna be in the doghouse for some time.
Habibi.
No, he told him,
guys,
God bless your soul, Ali.
He said rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
He said rest in peace. Literally.
He was a good man.
Yeah, he was a good man. Keep checking on me, guys. Okay, keep checking on me today.
If you don't hear any messages or don't any signs, then we're gonna call the police.
Yeah, you should see my wife. You should see my wife now looking at me, staring at me. Actually, you know, given this like.
Yeah, but you said so many nice things about your wife. That she's a beautiful woman. How lucky you are. I mean, every single day you post this on the group chat, don't you?
Yeah, she is. But don't touch the table. Don't touch the food table while she's preparing food. Don't touch it. Whenever the food is ready, you can sit, but not before. Rules are rules.
Yep. So when it's coming with a boat.
It's a very slow market today. No one shared the stream link into the Gold Cartels group. That's very disappointing. You could have get an immediate
still exist.
Don't know. Probably the market's already figured out that they like
someone asking where did Sophie go?
Oh yeah, very Sophie.
I don't know.
Where are you, Sophie? My all-time love.
She's translating Sherpa's course in an Excel in PowerPoint, I think.
Still translating Sherpa's soon.
Actually, the nice thing with Sherpa that everyone working with him, so that's nice.
He put everybody at work, even before they know. Be asked. I love it. I had so much fun Saturday.
Yeah, to be honest, he has a lot to actually share with the group. But again, English or language is the main point.
Yeah, we're learning Hindi. Don't worry.
It will. I appreciate the effort he put into others to improve.
He likes to put in, doesn't he?
So Thomas,
something like that.
He likes to put it in. The effort.
Yeah.
USD Japanese yen. Who's buying it? Because that is a rocket about to fly so freaking high.
Which one?
USD Japanese yen. The setup I posted.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, I went out, but it's almost at my third entry. Joke.
Okay.
Gold is dropping again.
Let's announce the winner.
Yeah, let's do that. And we have to keep, then we can close.
And the competition is now officially closed, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to select the 2 winners who get a monthly membership to the Alpha FX community. Are you excited?
No, God!
Oh,
No, God, please, no! No! No!
And I'm about to go to my Telegram and select the 2 winners while I'm watching USD Japanese yen flying and gold is getting, sorry, US 30 getting dumped. Who will be the winner? I see many names who entered the competition. I see names such as Usman, Don Kanawati, Usman Floki, Dinet Machieti, Ethan, SM, so many people. Oh, Tom Ivan shared as well. So difficult to choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomly select. I'm going to randomly select because that's the fair way.
Just give all of them comments.
Should I give all of them a membership?
Yeah, I think they deserve it. Come on, Raul.
No, 85.
Come on,
What
Raul.
is it? 40 people are too much. Then it's not a competition anymore.
Come on.
Normal competition, only one can
Yeah,
win. Here
at
you
least-
2
yeah.
can win.
Okay,
Actually,
but
I'm
at least
giving
they-
away
they
2
did
memberships now, not just 1, 2. 2 memberships to 2 lucky winners who shared my stream link. Who should it be? Should it be Deep, The King, Calvin, Zohair Roy? It's so difficult to choose. Very difficult to choose. So I'm gonna look away. And I'm going to select randomly. And the first winner is, ladies and gentlemen, is Nightshade 007. So once again, it's Nightshade. Nightshade. I'm going to
Not
write down his
Nightshade.
name.
Sorry.
Did you just laugh at his name?
I said, was it Nightshade or Nightshade?
Nightshade, not Nightshade.
Okay.
Nightshade. Congratulations, Nightshade. And the second winner is... Let's see, where is the discussion group again? I need to find it. It's quite hard because some people are actually willing to sing and dance if they win the competition. Maybe. I'm gonna look away. And now, selecting the second winner, who's gonna get a monthly membership. And the second winner is Don Kanavati. Congratulations. 2 winners are Nightshades and Don Kanavati. Congratulations, well done. You get a monthly membership.
How do they? Oh, they have to contact you by Telegram.
Nah, they can't contact me, but they can. So, go to the website and click on contact me. Get in touch and I will set you up after the stream. Well done, boys. Congratulations. And going back to the markets, we have a new hourly candle opened on US 30 and on gold. So far it looks like that gold has been respecting my initial sell, which I pulled out from. It's respecting the consolidation, but I'm not convinced until price is breaking the consolidation either to the downside or to the upside. I don't trust gold. I'm not going to trade gold anymore today. However, on US30, we can see that it was a beautiful entry that we analyzed before the stream shared live. It's already running in profit, already booked profit twice. What else can I say? Moving into USD Japanese yen, which is another sweet spot of mine. The rocket is ready to launch and is about to break out the intervention level soon and fly to 146 in a jiffy. What do you think?
Yeah, now we have a clear indication on the US index. It is going to break the
gold is selling off. Look at that. No, sorry, US30, not gold.
Yeah, gold also.
And gold as well. Oh my god.
Then Alan, my 72 was spot on, right? Alan is busy with his power nap.
I think you fall asleep.
No, I just had my mic muted. But you're right, it was spot on.
I scratched my crystal balls and came up with an answer.
Yeah, as long as you weren't chopping chilies beforehand, it's fine.
Wow, 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 look at US30. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Amazing. Oh, cool, yeah. Gold also went through the on the 5 minutes the moving average. So next level is the.
I should have kept it in.
It's under the
on
15
gold.
also. Yep.
Oh, don't worry, guys. Those who didn't win in the competition, I will do giveaways more frequently. Calvin says that NAS pushed down better than US30. Of course. What's the main difference between NAS and US30? The composition. US30, oh sorry, NAS is filled with tech stocks, and currently there is a massive sell-off in tech stocks. Hence, it pulled down or sold off much harder than US30.
Here you should see a first reaction on US30 before. Then it's take or break.
Nice. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
Okay, so who made profit today?
A little profit so far, but you know, it's better than
nothing.
Better than loss.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day now. It's
Good.
almost
Me too.
early
I go
dinner.
home.
Yeah. Raul, have a safe
you.
drive home, and all the
Yep.
rest of the alphas. Speak to you tomorrow. We're going to have. I
Thank
might
you.
have a day off tomorrow because the market is quite slow preparing for CPI. But anyway, let's have a look on tomorrow morning. Okay. See you later.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Where are the girls? Sophie, Michelle, Christine, Namita.
Bye bye.
I'm here.
Namita.
Namita is here. Well, yeah, but she's
Yeah,
married.
Thomas.
Come on. Namita is married.
Come on.
But next week I am also going on holiday.
See you later, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
And people in YouTube, so thank you so much for watching the stream. Don't go everywhere. I have a surprise for you. If you wish to receive daily analysis, morning briefings, and you know, my view on the markets. So what I do is I do macroeconomic analysis, fundamentals, geopoliticals, the whole macroeconomics. I make the analysis on the currency, stock, commodities market, and I translate it into a viable trading strategy. If you wish to receive the same kind of analysis like you just saw today that resulted in profit, there's 2 more memberships available at the AlphaFX website. I'm going to post a link to the YouTube chat. So if you want to join, you have 2 memberships opportunity, and then it's gone. 50% discount, take it, it's yours, use it. I'm posting it now. And I wish everyone a relaxing Tuesday evening, and see you all tomorrow or Thursday. Thursday definitely because of the CPI. Once again, there's only 2 memberships available. If you want to use the 50% discount and get daily analysis, morning briefing, and you know, my mentorship, just use it. See you all tomorrow. This is the Alpha FX.